Sunday night's episodes of Paramount Network's Heathers reboot were pulled in deference to the tragic synagogue shooting in Pittsburgh that left 11 people dead, the cable network has confirmed. Sources tell Deadline the episodes were pulled because they featured a storyline involving high school students undergoing active shooter training. Tonight's episode/finale will air as scheduled, according to the network. Paramount Network had initially delayed the premiere of the series, based on the cult movie, and which contains violent scenes and tackles suicide, following the high school shooting in Parkland, Florida, that left 17 dead. That was followed by a decision to scrap the series amid attempts to find a new domestic home for the anthology. Earlier this month, the network announced it would air the series, which had undergone cuts, in a week-long marathon event beginning October 25 with all 9 episodes also available for streaming on Paramount Network's app and website.
The 2 episodes that were pulled from the linear schedule remain available via VOD on the Paramount app and website for viewers who would like to catch up before tonight's finale, according to the network.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.